Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix wish list not showing on Steam. Let's fix it guys. You just need to open up Steam and you just need to select the username over here. Select edit profile. On left side select privacy settings. On right side select in here drop down in my profile and select public. And game details, click on this drop down and select public. And now you just need to go back to store and check if the problem solved or not. If the problem not solved, let's move on to the method 2 guys. Method 2, you just need to open up Steam and you just need to select any game over here and scroll down and select add to your wish list. Now you just need to go to wish list. Now check if the problem solved or not. If the problem not solved, let's move on to the method 3 guys. Method 3, you just need to select the Steam tab on the top and select settings. On left side select in-game. On right side you just need to select next to delete web browser data, select delete, select confirm. And now go to downloads and clear download cache, select clear cache and select confirm. Now you can check if the problem solved or not. If the problem not solved, let's move on to the method 4 guys. Method 4, you just need to select the view tab on the top and select big picture mode. Now you just need to press in escape key and go to store. Select the wish list and you just need to see all your wish list games, and after that you just need to press in escape key and select power option and select exit big picture mode. Now you can check if the problem solved or not. I hope one of these methods fixed your problem. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.